Immunoengineering in Minutes presents bioluminescent imaging. Cancer is a disease where unhealthy cells keep multiplying, also known as proliferating, which leads to the formation of a tumor. New cell therapies have been developed to help treat this awful disease. For example, a patient's own immune cells can be injected in their body to target the cancer cells and kill them. But in order to understand the cells and make them better, we have to keep track of them and other cells while inside the body. To keep up with the cells injected into the body, we can use a lighting source we are all familiar with, fireflies. The characteristic green light emitted by these insects is coded for by a piece of DNA known as the luciferase gene. Recent scientific advancements allow for genes to be transferred or cloned from one species to another. When this gene is inserted into the DNA code of other cell species and proper reaction conditions, including energy, oxygen, and luciferin, are present, these cells will then emit the same characteristic light as the fireflies. This reaction can be used to track cell location, proliferation, and even activation. In the cancer realm, bioluminescent immune cells, called T cells, are being used to confirm that these cells can successfully localize to target tumor sites. Cancer T cell therapies involve a systemic administration of cells, followed by migration of these cells throughout the body and the circulation system. In order to confirm that these cells end up in the correct part of the body, at the site of tumors, we can use bioluminescent-coated T cells. Bioluminescent imaging can then be conducted on the entire body of affected animals with fluorescent microscopes to identify where they have settled in the body. If the resulting bioluminescent signal overlaps with the location of the tumors, which are usually known in preclinical animal models, commonly used to study drug effects before being used in humans, then the success of the self-delivery can be confirmed. As such, now scientists have a clear map of where the new therapeutic cells are located in the body and no longer have to worry about whether or not the treatments were successfully delivered to the correct place. Therefore, they can focus on improving other aspects of the therapy, like tumor reduction and cell survival. Thank you for tuning in to Bioluminescent Imaging.